If you've ever dreamed of making $10,000 a month with YouTube but didn't think it was possible, stick around. Today, I will reveal how you can achieve this with a YouTube automation strategy. Whether you're completely new to this or you've been grinding with little success, this video will show you the exact blueprint you need to start earning serious cash, even without showing your face. Yep, you heard that right. $10,000 a month with YouTube, and you won't even need a camera. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money online with YouTube automation. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is YouTube automation and why is it such a big deal? Well, it's a business model that allows you to generate content on YouTube without doing everything yourself. Instead of spending hours in front of the camera and editing all night, you delegate most of the work to freelancers or use tools to help automate the process. Think of it as running a YouTube channel like a well-oiled machine, where you're the mastermind, but you're not doing all the heavy lifting. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge budget to get started. What you need is a smart strategy, a clear niche, and a team or tools that help you scale your channel. And the best part? Once everything is in place, you can scale up with multiple channels, putting you on the right path to making $10,000 per month or even more. Now let's get into 5 critical steps that you should take to skyrocket your YouTube automation to $10,000 per month. Make sure to implement these steps. Step number 1, picking a profitable niche. Making $10,000 a month with YouTube automation is selecting the right niche. A profitable niche is key because it determines your audience, monetization potential, and the speed at which your channel can grow. But you don't want just any niche, you want one that's in demand and sustainable. Here are some examples of niches that work great for YouTube automation. Personal finance and investing, technology reviews, health and fitness tips, luxury lifestyle, life hacks and DIY, animation and storytelling. You want a niche that has a large audience, a decent cost per 1,000 views, CPM, and one that interests you or is easy to outsource content for. Personally, I recommend niches like tech reviews or finance because they attract high-paying advertisers. But you need to choose one you can commit to consistently. Here's a tip. When deciding on a niche, do some research. Look at channels already dominating that space and find a gap you can fill. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube's search bar are your friends. Simply start typing a keyword, and it will show you the most search terms related to it. Step number 2, content strategy and outsourcing. Now that you've picked a niche, it's time to create your content strategy. This is where automation comes in. You're going to need a lot of videos to scale to $10,000 a month, but you don't need to create every video yourself. Instead, you can outsource the entire production process. Here's how to build a team for your YouTube channel. 1. Scriptwriter. Find someone who can write engaging scripts based on your niche. You can hire freelancers from platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Voiceover artist. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can find talented voiceover artists on platforms like voices.com. 3. Video editor. Your video editor will take the script, voiceover, and any stock footage or animation and put it all together. 4. Thumbnail designer. Thumbnails are crucial for click-through rates, so invest in a good thumbnail artist who understands YouTube design trends. With this team in place, you can churn out high-quality videos without being involved in every step of the process. And guess what? As your channel grows and brings in more income, you can reinvest into better talent and scale even further. Here's a tip. Keeping organized is key. To make this process smoother, try using tools like Trello or Asana to manage your team and keep everything organized. Step number 3, creating videos that get views. Now let's talk about creating videos that actually get views. This is where many people fail. They focus on quantity over quality, but the truth is you need both. You can't expect to earn $10,000 a month if your videos aren't being seen. There are 3 main elements to focus on when creating your videos. 1. Engaging titles. Your video title is the first thing people see, and it needs to spark curiosity. Use searchable keywords, but also create a sense of urgency or intrigue. 2. Catchy thumbnails. Your thumbnail needs to stand out. Look at your competition and ask yourself, how can I make my thumbnail better? Use contrasting colors, bold text, and compelling images. YouTube's algorithm loves videos that keep people watching. So structure your videos in a way that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. 3. Use hooks at the beginning. Break your content into digestible sections and always deliver on the promise you made in the title. Here's a tip. Pay close attention to your audience retention rates in YouTube analytics. If people are dropping off after 30 seconds, you'll need to tweak your content to be more engaging right from the start. Step number 4, monetization strategies. So we've covered content creation and automation. But now let's talk about the most exciting part, how to actually make money. To get to $10,000 a month, you'll need to tap into multiple streams of revenue. Here are the 5 top ways to monetize your YouTube channel. 1. YouTube ad revenue. This is the most obvious one. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization and start earning money from ads placed on your videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Channels in the tech, beauty, and finance niches thrive on affiliate marketing. 3. Sponsored videos. Brands will pay you to feature their products or services. As your channel grows, you'll start getting offers directly from companies. 4. Merchandise sales. If you have a loyal audience, selling merch can be a great source of income. 5. Digital products or courses. If you're an expert in your niche, you can sell online courses or ebooks to your audience. Don't rely on just one method. Use a combination of these strategies to create multiple streams of income, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to earning that $10,000 every month. But before we get into step number 5, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money online with YouTube automation. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get back to the video. Step number 5. Growing your channel. Now, the big question. How do you scale to $10,000 a month? It's all about consistency and optimization. Here's a plan you can follow to grow your channel. Post at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Consistency is key. You don't have to go viral to make good money. You just need steady, consistent growth. Leverage SEO. Do keyword research for every video you post. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find what people are searching for in your niche. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your videos and help you grow. Promote your content. Don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm. Share your videos on social media, forums, and niche-related groups to drive more traffic to your channel. Keep improving. Monitor your analytics and be ready to pivot. Double down on what's working and drop what's not. And that's how you can make $10,000 a month with YouTube automation. The key is to pick the right niche, automate the content creation process, and diversify your monetization strategies. Now it's your turn to take action. Let's build your YouTube empire together. Thanks for watching, and remember the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more make money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.